Shenandoah. This is the staging area. This is still part of the staging area, and here's where we're getting on the track. The start finish line is right over here, so this looks pretty good. I'm also looking at camber. The cone, if you've seen that, the cones mark the apex and where you want to come out. So cone on the inside is where you want to hit the apex. That's where you want to touch the wheels. On the outside, if a cone is on the outside, that tells you that they want you to kind of come out to the outside in order to be at the best line. This is a very tricky turn because it's a blind corner. I came in too tight. There's some dirt over here, but it looks like it's pretty dry. Let's see, I'm looking for a cone here. There's one here. And then there's again a cone up here, so you can come out here. Here you want to go a straight line. That's why there's a cone here. You want to just nip it here. That's the fastest line. And then the other thing I do is I try to get on the curbs too, to figure out how tall the curbing is. Some places the curbs are pretty low and you can get on it without upsetting the car. Others are pretty tall. I haven't actually been through the carousel here in the car. It's not as bad, not very bumpy. Okay, you want to stay on the right side here, left side here. And this is kind of a late apex. Used to come here on motorcycles. And then you come over here. And here you can get on the gas. There's some dirt there. It's still pretty wet, so definitely want to avoid that. And then there's a cone here on the left side. And then they want you to drift out toward this cone so you can pick up as much speed as possible. And then I like to kind of cut through here. It's the shortest line. And then for this turn, on motorcycles, we used to always go all the way in. The cars, looks like, I don't know, I think the fastest way is to probably still go in, get on. And then here, you want to start braking before you get to the top. If you start, well, braking after that, that's way too late. It's kind of a late apex because we're setting up for the assist. This is where we came out of. We're going to carry that out, bring this in, and then late apex here because you got a long straightaway here, so you want to carry as much speed as possible into it. So, woo, that's stinky. That must be that E30 up there. Let's see. So here you want to come out, not quite to the curb. Here, I think that's better. Yeah. All right, that's pretty high, so I'm kind of trying not to hit that one. And I think I need to be a little bit wider on that. Here you want to go right at the cone. And curving. You can stay left here. This gives you a straight line. Come on, Corvette. Jump on it. I'm gonna try to stay low, just to see how that is. It's probably not gonna be faster. It's obviously shorter, but you gotta be careful here if you do come out. check it out. It's probably gonna be, so you could just come in and stay tight. There's dirt there. Best line for this, you're gonna be out wide, hit that, yeah, that's probably what it is, hit that, and then hit that curbing on the right side, and then get on it here. And I think this is a straight line here. And then you come out. Let's see, maybe I need to come all the way out. Kind of increasing radius turn. That was better. This is definitely a late turn, and then there's a long straightaway, so you want to have that. You want to make it's a late apex, so you want to be straight as quickly as possible, so you can carry as much speed here as you can. Again, I think stay left here, and that should line us up for the carousel. This one is mimicked after the Nordschleife carousel at the Nürburgring. It's got a nice, looks like 20%, 25% banking. Look where you're going, don't look right in front of you. And then probably come out a little bit. Yeah, a little bit more. Late apex. Late apex. Stay wide here. And get on it here. Counterclockwise track, so your right tires, definitely the right front and eventually the right rear, are going to be a little bit warmer than your left tires, so you may want to drop the PSI, let's see, down a little bit more on the right tires. Yeah, I think that probably going wide there, and then speed would be good. So I'm probably gonna drop to about 33. 32, 33 left, 32 right. And I might do 1 PSI less. That wasn't very good. 1 PSI or 2 PSI less in the back. So it's 79 degrees now, track is gonna warm up. Plus we're not gonna get out there for another hour, so the track will be warmer yet. So come out here. Increasing radius turn. Let's see, did I hit it? Yeah, I did. And then here you want to get on it. Come on, Corvette, what is that guy doing? Step on it a little bit. Yeah, go tight. Probably want to be a little right here, getting into the carousel. Drop down. Again, look where you're going. Keep the left wheel off of the flat part. Come left a little. Hit the cone here. can accelerate here a little bit, back on the brakes. You come all the way out, almost a U-turn here, and then boom, get back on. That's too much. Well, maybe not. Anyway, which they might. It's been about 10 minutes. So let me try this line again. I think it might be faster to go wide here, because then you can start accelerating into the straightaway. The other thing is passing zone. So the passing zone is back there. Passing zone 1. Here, if it's before the bridge, I would imagine, is the next passing zone. And then the third one is back there on the straightaway. So that's pretty much it. What? Okay, I am driving. And then just to show you what the usual setup looks like here is you've got the marshals sitting here, and then you have 1, 2, 3 lines of cars lining up. Also, cars can line up back there, right behind the barriers, and then more cars can line up there as well. We are going to have a skid pad going. That's this over here. And that's going to get going after the track is hot. There's the track, and this is how you get out of Shenandoah. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and post more videos from the track.